70 years young. We have no right of return. Why? Because the Jews believe that for them, they are the ones that count, the ones that matter. And we are, as Ben Gurion said, like cockroaches, vermin on two legs. Do you speak about a people like that? No, you do not. Not only this, but in 1948, the Israeli National Library was created from 30,000 stolen Palestinian books, which still remain in that library. The Knesset is made up on the hill from stolen Greek land. In 1948, Deir Yassin, how many people did they massacre? 500 of our villages were burnt down. Women and children and men huddled in a mosque. 148 children massacred. And then they continued to steal and pillage. Why is it that Israel can go to Switzerland and say, hey, $1 billion give us for the reparation of what happened to us in the Holocaust? Not for the murder, but for the finances. And yet Israel can turn around and say, oh, we cannot give the Palestinians anything. It's too hard for us to think. No, we cannot have Palestinian refugees coming back. But hold on.